Hello, hello friends! Welcome back to Shesinherapron. I'm washing some of the couch cushions. I didn't even notice these little wiggly feet sticking out. She's napping. Okay, so now that I've gone through all of my Rubbermaid containers, I found a ton that I could give to Callie to take to school with her. Well, we are heading to the pool for the first time this summer. We've had our pass since we got back from Hawaii, so a month, and we haven't gone yet. So we're going today.
And guys, I saw a bird nest.
You saw a bird nest?
Right in our tree.
Yeah, we do have one in our tree, don't we?
We have 5.
Oh my gosh, birds like us. All right, let's go to the pool. It's hot. Way too much fun. So we're gonna stay here for a little while and then go home and cook dinner.
Suede shoe. Well, you can do anything but take me over my blue suede shoe. So under my name all over the place. Well, do anything that you want to do. But honey, lay off them shoes and don't you step on my blue suede shoe.
Seatbelt. Derek never puts his seatbelt on. You guys yell at him.
I always put it on, but I don't put it on until I get to here.
The main road. Tell him to put his seatbelt on the moment he gets in the car. Yell at him like I did.
Everybody loves to yell at me.
All right, we are off to meet.
See the wizard?
We're off to meet the grown-ups of the family for dinner to celebrate Father's Day for Derek's dad. We haven't gotten to celebrate it with him, and just no date work, tonight work, so we're heading there to have dinner. We're gonna go to the Outback. I am so proud of Callie for learning how to make stroganoff. That is an easy meal that she could do in college. She could do it with rice, she could do it with pasta, and it doesn't cost that much. So I have my Halo hair extension in, and it is easy to put in. It literally is like a halo on your head, no clipping, nothing. And I swooped it and did my side ponytail thing, and it just looks all natural. Derek didn't even notice. And like my hair grew like, I don't know how many inches this is, but a lot. So that's me tonight. So we're gonna go to dinner, and then after dinner, we're gonna go to the store called At Home because their Halloween is up, and Derek is so excited to go look at it. Oh yeah, by the way, At Home has their Halloween out.
You can go. Just drop me off at the movie theater or something.
We have to take a peek. We have to take a peek.
Yes, you do.
Yes, we do.
Yes, you do.
Yes, we do.
You totally need to.
We totally need to.
You totally
We totally need to.
I'll check out firework booths.
So exciting. It's so exciting. Aren't you excited?
For the fireworks? Yes.
For the Halloween? So great. So
Too early!
Oh, I love it. I love it. There's actually a pillow there that says Queen of Halloween. I know a couple of girls that need that pillow.
Fitting.
It's fitting. So dinner was amazing. So good at the Outback. Yum. But what you want to know what's even more amazing? It's Halloween. Oh yes. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I swear this is earlier than last year, guys. I don't know, but it feels it. You like that? Derek likes that. Oh, look at this setup they have over here.